Welcome back to Primetime News. In this week's edition of the Business Review, the Mavis Bank Coffee Factory has reached a major milestone. Karen Simpson reports.
At the Mavis Bank Coffee Factory, there's lots to celebrate this year.
The company was formed in 1923, and therefore we are celebrating 100 years. We are also celebrating the 70th anniversary of the first 3 barrels of coffee that was exported from Kingston to Tokyo, that is in 1953.
In fact, Japan is the country's largest export market, accounting for 70% of its sales. But as it begins its journey towards another 100 years, Mr. Grant says developing new partnerships in other markets is high on the to-do list.
So we are looking to increase our current 20% in the USA, to build out our markets in Europe. And on that note, last month, we shipped the first container directly into Italy. 200 barrels of coffee. We have appointed an agency for the Italian market.
There are several products tied to the Mavis Bank coffee brand. They include Jablum, True Brew, and Wallingford Blue Mountain Coffee. There's products also in the pipeline, including the opening of cafes.
We have launched a new product, Jablum Jamaica Blue Mountain infused chocolate, dark chocolate bars. We're looking at 2 other new products that will be coming out very shortly. And those are what we call legacy projects.
But even as there is great optimism about the future, there was a time in the not so distant past that things looked ominous.
After COVID, our sales plummeted from somewhere in the region of $1 billion down to below 450 million. That's how bad it was.
But the company has been on a path to recovery and doing things differently too.
We have taken a strategic decision to increase our value-added business. So prior to COVID, our sales were 70% green, 30% roasted. The issue is that the margin on the green coffee has shrunk significantly, because once the price went up to the farmers and there was no corresponding increase on the selling price, we still had to pay the price to the farmers. And therefore, the margin on the green side of the business has shrunk. What basically that we're doing in this business is actually buying cash flow, turnover, selling to make sure that we can always take the crops from the farmers, so the farmers don't have cherry and we can't pay for it.
So with over 4,000 farmers and over 200 employees, the company has been consistent in preserving and promoting the Blue Mountain Coffee brand. With your Business Review, I'm Karen Simpson.